Hello everyone, in today's video I'm doing a manicure. If you'd like to see how I go from this to this, then keep watching.
Private, yeah. See my whole team and you know where to find us. Yeah, you know where to find me. Hey, I'm drowning in grace. When I look at my
Guys, look at my nails. Like, they're chipped, and then this one cracked on the side. This one actually broke. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, so I just need to refresh my nails. I'll be using my supplies. I have cotton wool, just normal cotton wool. I put it in this bag because it's easy. Then I'll be using acetone because I don't really have like a nail polish remover right now, so this is what I'm going to use. After that, I'll wash my hands, then I'll file my nails, like especially the ones that got cracked. Then I'll use this nail cutter if I need to trim off any nails. This nail kit that my mom got me, it has some tools that just help in case I need to cut corners of the nails or remove dirt, that kind of thing. If you have regular nail polish remover, you don't have to use acetone like me. Either way, you have to remove as much of. This is how my natural nails are looking after I've removed all the polish. As you can see, I definitely need to shape some of them and just make them look a lot better than they do right now. I also need to wash underneath my nails, so that's what I'm going to do. Using this antibacterial soap. It's a Dettol bar soap that I've been using for a while, and then I'll use that brush to just scrub off underneath my nails. I've mentioned this before in one of my videos. You're supposed to file in one direction only. The shape I'm going for with my natural nails, it's kind of square and I feel like it makes them look way neater. This is how the nails look after I've shaped them. Just washed my nails again, this time using a shower gel and an old toothbrush just to get out all the dirt. I'm going to start off by using this Nailcare Pro-Strong nail strengthener and moisturizer by Luron. It's for brittle nails. I'm having some brittle nails, so that's going to be my base coat. I'll apply this lovely gray color. I haven't done gray in a while, and this gray color also has nail hardener in it, so it's going to be good for my nails. I'll mention all the details of the polish in the description box below. I'll let this dry for a while, then now I'll apply the grey polish. This is how the first coat looks like. So I'll probably be doing 2 coats of this, but I'll apply off camera just so that I can concentrate and make sure that this comes out good.